O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID 19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, all of you. Good morning to all. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay,
Good
good.
morning, ma'am.
Now you please listen here. See, we are going to do the exercise in the textbook. Okay, textbook part 1. And the exercise which are related to in the textbook are related to the flat shapes and the solid shapes. Okay, now let us recall what we learned in the flat shapes and solid shapes. Please be quiet. Ma'am will call out the name and they will give me answers. And after that, directly we will move to the textbook. Okay. Now we have 4 flat figures. We have 4 flat figures. Now, Elaine, unmute and tell me which are the flat figures we studied. Which are the flat figures? Others, please be quiet. Okay. Elaine, which are the flat figures we studied?
Square.
Ah, yes, very good. Square,
Rectangle.
rectangle,
Circle.
circle,
Circle.
and the fourth one is
Triangle.
triangle. Very good, very good. Now, Sarabatul, tell me the spelling of triangle. Triangle. What is the spelling triangle? Triangle. T R I N A N L E. Very good. Now, Krishang, unmute and tell me how many sides and corners are there for a triangle? How many sides are there? How many corners are there? There are. There are. How many corners? How many corners? Louder, my dear. Louder.
4 corners.
For a triangle, triangle. How many corners? Tri. Tri means 3. So there are 3 corners and 3 sides. Okay, good. Now, Vaikarthan, unmute and tell me. For a square, how many sides and how many corners? For a square,
4 sides.
4 sides and 4 corners. Very good. Now, Daksh, listen to me. How many sides and corners are there for a rectangle? Daksh? How many sides and corners are there for a rectangle?
12.
There are 4 sides and 4 corners for a rectangle. Okay, good. Now, Andonis, tell me the spelling of square. Square spelling. Andonis, tell me the spelling square. S, Q, U, A, R, E.
R E.
Okay, very good. S, Q, U, A, R, E. Good. Now, what about a rectangle? Nasafsal, tell me the spelling. Rectangle. Rectangle, what is the spelling?
R-E-C.
T. T.
Angle.
Angle spelling?
A.
An. So, A-N.
A-N.
Angle. G. G. So, which letter will come?
G.
G. L.
L.
L-E. Okay. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Okay. Now we have the fourth one, circle. Ira, what's the spelling circle? What is the spelling circle? Tell me the spelling circle.
C.
C-I. C-I-R.
C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle.
C-I-R-C-L-E. Okay, good. Now we have 5 solid figures. We have cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. Now tell me the spelling cube. Is that you know? Tell me the spelling cube. Very simple. Cube. What is spelling?
U.
What is the spelling cube? C.
C.
U.
B.
B. E. Very good. Now, Sanvi, what about the corn? What about the corn? What is the spelling of corn? Ah.
CONE.
Very good. CONE. Corn. Raya Fatima, what about the cuboid? Raya Fatima, what about the cuboid? Ah. Ah. No, I asked cuboid. So what will be? CUB. After that B. Which letter? Bo.
C.
Ah. U. You have to write and study the spelling. Okay. CUB. Okay. Write and study the spelling. Raya Fatima after the class. Okay. Abel, tell me the spelling cylinder. Cylinder spelling.
C.
Ah.
Y.
Ah.
L.
Ah.
I.
Ah.
N.
Ah.
D. E. R.
Oh.
Cylinder.
Yes, very good. Okay, now Via Vinu, tell me the spelling sphere. The fifth solid figure. Sphere.
S.
Ah.
S. P.
Ah.
H.
Ah.
H. E. R. E.
SPHERE, sphere. Okay, now all of you please the textbook. Textbook part 1. See, please take a textbook part 1. Okay, those who don't have, don't worry, look at the screen. Okay, look at the screen. When you get the textbook, you can write the answers into that. Okay, so please take a textbook part 1, page number 6. Page number 6. Page number 6. The same page you can see on the screen also. Let me take.
Yeah, let it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the 10. You see, look what is it?
Please be quiet.
ഇവിടെ പൂജ്യം ഇതുണ്ട്
All of you got the same page? Shall we start?
Yeah.
Yes, give me a thumbs up. That's enough. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Please be quiet. That's very important. Okay, I will call out the name and they will give me the answers. So all can understand. That's why. Okay, now example 2. We are going to do this one. Example 2. And now you please listen here. Let us see what is the question. WRITE, right. Okay, WRITE, right. THE, the NUMBER. What is that? NUMBER? Number. Write the number of CORNERS. What is that? CORNERS. We already studied, no? Corners. Write the number of corners of the given figures. So you can see some figures and we have to write the number of corners. One is done for you. Already one is done. Okay. Now let us see the first one. First figure. Amrin, please unmute. Others, please be quiet. Amrin, please unmute and look at the first one. What is the figure? What's the name of the figure, Amrin? First one. Color.
Triangle.
It's a triangle. It's a triangle. Now, how many corners are there for a triangle, Amrin? How many corners are there? There are 3 corners. Always say in a sentence. Okay, always say the answer in a sentence. Now we can see for a triangle there are 3 corners. Very good. It's already written there. So no need to write again. Okay. Now we can move to the next one. We can move to the next one. Now Aditya unmute. Look at the second one. You can see a diamond shape. You can see a diamond shape. So how many corners are there for a diamond shape? Corners, how many are there? Yes, there are 4. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 corners. So we can write the number 4. Okay, good. Aditya, good. So there are 4 corners. All of you write the answer 4. Now, Ethan, finish. Unmute. Look at the third one. One yellow color figure. What's the name of the figure?
Circle.
Circle. Very good. How many corners are there for a circle? Is there any corner?
Yes.
No. So which
No
number will write? If it is no, which number will write?
Zero.
Nothing.
Zero.
So which number will write?
0.
0. Very good. So we can write the number 0. A circle has no corners, no sides. Okay, good, Ethan. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. Now, shall we move to the next one? I think it's very simple, no? You may be all completed. Shall we move to the next one? Train my brain. Give me a thumbs up if you have completed. Yes. Okay, Mia. Good. Now we can go to the first one. A. Mia, please unmute. Look at the question, all of you. Now let us read the question. HOW. How? MANY. How many? SIDES. Sides. How many sides? AND. And CORNERS. How many sides and corners? DOES. Des. EACH. Each. OF. THE. The. FOLLOWING. Flowing. OBJECTS. Objects. HAVE. Have. How many sides and corners does each of the following objects have? Mia, unmute and tell me the first one. What is the first picture? What is the name of the first figure? What you can see?
W.
It's okay. Question we already completed. What about this picture? What is a shape?
Triangle.
Triangle. It's a triangle shape. Okay, so for a triangle, how many sides and how many corners are there, Mia?
3.
Very good, very good. So for a triangle, there are 3 sides and 3 corners. Now let us write answer. So below that picture, we can write 3 sides. See, SIDES, sides. It's already written the spelling here. So you can directly copy from there. Now, 3 sides, 3 corners. CORNERS. 3 sides, 3 corners. For a triangle, there are 3 sides and 3 corners. SIDES, sides. CORNERS, corners. 3 sides, 3 corners. Write the answer. 3 sides and 3 corners. CORNERS. Alasia, shall we move to next one? Please unmute, my dear. Okay. What about the next picture B? You can see a door there. What is a sheep?
Sheep.
What is a sheep? Name the sheep.
Rectangle.
Yes, Alasia. Tell me once again. What's the shape? A rectangle. It's a rectangle. Okay. So how many sides and how many corners are there for a rectangle, Alasia?
4.
You can tell me in sentence. Okay. Whenever somebody will ask you the question, try to tell the answer in a sentence. So there are four sides and four corners for a rectangle. Okay, there are four sides and four corners for a rectangle. So all of you please write answer. Four sides, S-I-D-E-S, four sides, four corners, C-O-R-N-E-R-S, four sides, four corners, four sides and four corners. Four sides and four corners for a rectangle. Shall we move to next one? See. Arav, shall we move to next one? See. Please unmute, my dear. Arav.
Square.
Okay. What about the question C? What is the picture? It's a chessboard, no? It's a chessboard. What is the shape?
Square.
Square. Very good. How many sides and corners are there for a square?
Four sides, four corners.
Very good. There are four sides and four corners for a square. Okay. Very good, Arav. Very good. So we can write answer. Four sides, S-I-D-E-S, four sides, four corners. What is special about a square? What about the sides? All the sides are
Equal.
S. All the sides are
Equal.
or equal in length. Very good. All the sides are equal. All the sides are same. Okay. So all of you please complete the answer. Yes, and we completed. Very good. So those who have completed, please take page number. Please take page number.
I have completed.
10.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, good.
Which page number? Completed.
Page number 10. Is there anyone to complete page number 6? Is there anyone to complete page number 6? Alasia, you want to see the page number 6?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, please complete it. So those who have completed, please take page number 10. Okay, shall we move to page number 10, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please take page number 10. We already completed question 1. Now we have to do question 2. Okay, and we have question number 2. COMPLETE. What is the word? Complete. We have to complete. What we have to complete? Complete the FOLLOWING. Complete the following table. 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 You can see a table here. There we have to complete. Okay, and what is given here? Object is given. We have to write the name of the solid figure. Which solid figure is? It's a shape. Okay, and we have the first one. Okay, first one, it's an image of it's a globe, you know. So what is a solid figure? What is the solid figure? Nasa, Afsal, tell me the answer. Which very good. Please tell me the tell me the spelling.
S
Very good.
P
P
N
H
H
uh,
E
uh,
R E.
you have to write and study the spelling, okay? After the class, write and study the spelling. Very good. Anyway, your answer is correct. S P H E R E, sphere. Okay, good. S P H E R E. Nakshatra CP, please unmute. Nakshatra CP, please unmute. Look at the next one.
Q.
It's a cube-like object, no? So what is the spelling, my dear? Tell me the spelling.
Spelling orange. Adinde.
Cube spelling, tell me.
CUBE. Cube.
Very good. CUBE, cube. All of you right answer, cube. CUBE, cube. CUBE.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, good. Now, Adonando, please unmute and look at the next one. What is the shape? It's an ice cream cone. So, what is the shape? Tell me the spelling.
I have completed, ma'am. I
What
have
is the
completed, ma'am.
S,
Ma'am,
my dear? S, my dear.
C-O-N-E.
Very good, very good. It's an ice cream cone. So the name of the solid figure is cone. C-O-N-E. Very good, very good. C-O-N-E. All of you please write answer C-O-N-E. Cone.
Ma'am, I have a completed.
Okay, good, very good, very good. Those who have completed, very good.
I have completed.
Now let me ask.
Ma'am, I have
Mahadev,
completed. I
Mahadev,
have
please unmute and tell me. Mahadev, Varun, what about the next picture? You can see a tissue box, no? What is the name of the solid figure?
I have full finished, ma'am.
Mahadev, tell me answer. What is the name of the shape? Tell me the name of the shape. Is it a cone or cuboid or cylinder or sphere? Which one?
C-O-I.
Listen first of all. Listen first of all. This one only I am asking, and you have to tell me first of all the name of the solid figure. Name. What is the name? Cuboid. It's a cuboid. Now tell me the spelling cuboid.
C-U.
Uh,
C-U-B-O-I-D.
yes. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Okay, Mahadev. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboids.
Cuboid.
C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. If you have completed, please take page number 11. Page number 11. All of you have completed. Shall we move to the next page?
Yes.
Is there anyone to complete?
Yes.
Is there anyone to complete?
Listen.
Yes.
Finish.
S.
Complete.
S and Asa.
Finish. Please share the board.
Ah, okay, I will share the board. Okay, I will share the board. Okay, please write the answers. Those who have completed, please take page number 11. Cuboid. 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 Cube. Cube.
I have finished.
Okay, good. So shall I take the next page? Page number 11. Yes. Is there anyone to complete? Nasa Afsal completed. Give me a thumbs up if you have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So please take page number 11. Page number 11. Now Aradhya, please unmute. Okay, Aradhya, listen here. Okay. Now we have third question we have completed. We have fourth question. Okay. And the fourth question again it is COMPLETE. Complete. We have to complete the following table. Complete the following table. And what we have to complete? The first one, it's given an object. Okay. One object is given. The next column, we have to draw the shape of the base. We have to draw the shape of the base. And the next column, name of the figure. We have to write the spelling. Okay. So Aradhya, what about the first picture? What is the shape? Aradhya? Tell me the shape of that object, Aradhya. As a solid figure. So what is the shape? Is it a cube or cuboid or cylinder? What is the shape?
Fire.
No, I asked what is the object? Ah, it's a cube. It's a cube. Okay, Aradhya. It's a cube. Now tell me the shape of the base, bottom part. What is the shape? Aradhya? What is the shape of the base? What is the bottom part of a cube? What is the shape? Square. Very good. So we can draw the shape of the square. Okay, so all of you please draw the square. Square. All sides are equal. Square. All sides are equal. Now tell me the spelling square, Ritika. Tell me the spelling square. S.
S
Uh,
U A R E.
Okay, very good. All of you please write the answer. S Q U A R E, square. S Q U A R E, square.
S
Saharsh, unmute. Saharsh. Look at the next one.
Is the next one.
Okay, what about the object? What is the shape of the object?
candle.
It's a candle. What is the shape? Which solid figure? Candle. Cylinder. Okay. Now, shape of the base. What will come? The shape of the base.
Base and the shape.
Circle.
Same.
Circle.
Circle. Okay. So we can draw the shape of the circle. Now, tell me the spelling circle.
Circle is spelled.
C
Ah,
C I R
ah.
C L E.
CLE. See, you have to write and study the spelling. Okay. CIRCLE. Circle. All the flat figure spelling, all
Okay,
the
ma'am.
solid figure spelling, you have to by heart.
Okay.
CIRCLE, circle.
Ma'am, completed.
Very good. If you have
I
completed,
have
please take
completed.
page number 12. 1 to 12. CIRCLE, circle. Now, Irasian,
Yes, teacher.
please take page number 13. Okay, and look at the first one. Look at the first one. What is the object we can see here? Ira, please unmute, my dear.
Book.
Ah,
Book.
it's a book. It's a book. Very good. Now, what is the shape of the base, bottom part? Which flat figure?
Rectangle.
Very good. Very good. It's a
Rectangle.
rectangle. So we can draw the shape of the rectangle. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Now, tell me the spelling rectangle, my dear. Rectangle spelling.
RECT
Now,
ANGLE.
very good. Now we can write the spelling RECTANGLE, rectangle. Okay, Ra, good, good.
Thank you.
Welcome, my dear. Rectangle, RECTANGLE. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Gauri Krishna, please unmute. Gauri Krishna. You can see a cake piece, no? Next one, a cake piece. Yes. What is the shape of the base?
I have a full finish. Rectangle.
No. Which one? Which one? The shape. This one. What the shape?
Triangle.
Tell me once again.
Triangle.
Ah, it's a triangle. So we have to draw the shape of the triangle. Now, please tell me the spelling triangle. T. So which letter will come? Triangle.
T.
T. Okay. Try. So what is the next letter? T.
Here.
R.
R.
I.
I.
Try. Okay. TRI. Try. Angle. The same spelling in the rectangle. AN. An. Gle.
N.
N.
R.
E. Triangle. TRINGLE. Triangle. What happened, Arav? You don't worry, my dear. I will send the same in the group. Okay. So later you can complete it. Okay, Arav? So now it's time to winding up the session. So the same notes I will forward in the group also. So those who have any network issues, you can complete later. Okay, but you have to study well for Thursday's class test. You have to study from the notebook and the textbook. It's very simple, but you have to know the spelling and all. Okay. So let me stop sharing. So thank you for joining. We will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.